Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox 268 problem. So all of you guys, what you need to do is simply get into your internet browser. Once you get there, what you need to do is write down Roblox in the search engine. Once you do that, what you need to do is open it up. So here it is. This is the home page for the Roblox, and if you go on or open up some game, so what you do is simply tap on this play icon, and once you do that, you see that if you have been kicked out or you have this 268 Roblox problem, so what you need to do is simply cancel out these, go back, uninstall the Roblox, just open up the command prompt in your PC and write down this negation. So once you write it down, what you need to do is enter tab. So once you do that, then what you need to do is simply again open up your Roblox and successfully get into that website official of the Roblox. Open it up. Once you do that, all you need to do is open the game once again, and once you do that, tap again once again on that and open the Roblox. This way this would reconnect you to the Roblox, and once you do that, you can enjoy and the problem would be fixed. Or in other words, this is how to fix Roblox 268 problem. And if you guys still have any query or question about it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.